This video is going to discuss how to grade Moodle assignments with a Turnitin rubric attached. First, we're going to look at this from a student perspective. So a student sees the Moodle assignment, they come in here to submit their assignment. This student's got a previous attempt, so we're just going to add a new attempt. The student would come and either drag and drop their file, or they can search their computer to find their assignment. And they can upload that, and then go ahead and save changes, and that's going to submit their assignment to the faculty member for grading. So now we're in our course, and we're looking again at that Moodle assignment. So we're going to come here, open our Moodle assignment. We're going to view all submissions that students have submitted to us. And we can see our student who resubmitted the assignment, because this had already been graded once before. We can see it was using Turnitin. And then the next step we're going to need to do to open the Turnitin rubric is go ahead and click on the pencil to open that grade mark Turnitin rubric option. That'll open up the Turnitin Feedback Studio for us. And now to view the actual Turnitin rubric so we can grade this, what we're going to do is come right over here to the rubric form icon. We'll open that, and then we can start to use our slider scales to grade this assignment. If you need to check what the criteria is, you can view down here to see what proficient means. If you need to adjust that, you can drag this up right here. But you would just go through and give your student their grade. Let's just make sure it's going to be a little higher than the previous grade. We'll go ahead and apply that to grade. You can see now we have an 82 for this attempt. When we close out of Turnitin and come back into Moodle here, this update is going to happen in the Grade Center for us automatically, and that grade from our rubric grading will be added.